Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. This is a screwdriver, right? There we go. 20 plus here. Welcome back to Teardown. It's part 3, I think. I'm score 10, a novice. I got me my shotgun from the last episode. And now I can blow some holes. Hopefully I fix the auto this time. I'm using a new system I barely even touched, so... Ooh. Was this like yours last time? I seem to be working on it. Time to lift. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Whoops. What do we got here? Cigar. These are bad for you. These are bad for you. I see we've started building a room. It's a great framework. It'd be a shame if I smacked 1, 2, 3. I'll just rebuild it. This is how you remodel rooms, right? You just burn it to the ground. Wow, look at that smoke! The detail. Alright. If only I had more followers. Wait, I could if you guys like the video and subscribe and join. Plenty of content here. Okay, there's not that much content, but it'll get there. Chair. Fantastic work at the marina. It looks like it worked because they just cleared a construction permit for the new dock. I cleared more than that dock. Start. Well, back at the port here. Oh, you fixed that real fast. I thought I threw a car into it. They fixed it up. Oh, there's more debris than that. Come on. This rope can't hold me back. Yeah, it's like kind of like that. Whoops. Any secrets in here? Secrets? Oh, this is a strong table if it's not breaking. There we go. So we have to get that car from the ship, those documents in that building, and some parts that's near that car. And we're in. Documents. They're in there. Alright, so I can pick this up and leave it right there. Yeah. So that would give me some extra time. Alright, so I can see all 4 in this screen, so I'm gonna get maybe this car. Drive it down here. Drive it in there. Scrap that. Let's look over there first. We're gonna see if we can move this boat first. Ah, it's a Jeep. We can move the boat. Lift the bridge. Wait, how am I gonna get on the boat now? Made it. Gonna go through here, get very close. You're good. You're good. Some lag. You're good. And stop. Alright. This perfectly nice ramp over here that's provided will let us drive it right on out of here. We have to. Alright, so this car has a ride. So we're gonna just drive it on over carefully. Valuable. Get this out of the way. Of course, they leave everything in the way. Alright. Let's hope this goes well. That's not how I wanted to go, but whatever. Close enough. I can lift it. Nice. Can I move this back? Come on. Come on. Come on. That's not a great sound. Did something break? I swear something broke. Alright. Push that open. Get through here. Yeah. Go straight through here. Bring this back up. Make a tight turn. Almost there. Oh. Oh, we did lose some of the vehicle. That's okay, we can get there. That's perfectly aligned. Not super perfectly, but good enough. Alright, now that those two are super duper close, let's see. We'll grab that. I'll place maybe a boat here. Go over here. Grab that. Get to get here somehow. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna grab this. Bust out that window. Grab the boat. Speed way over here. Try to park it right here. Not crashing to it. I'm gonna grab that. Maybe I'll go back and make a thing to it. I'm gonna grab the boat, drive down here, crash somewhere around here, grab the car, drive in there, and we'll go from there. It's not super effective plan, but it's my plan. My plan. Alright, let's save, because I haven't done that in the whole time. Alright, alright, alright. Come on, come on, don't fail us now. Oh man, I'm out of ammo. No. You didn't see that. Alright, speed over here. Missed that debris I threw like an idiot. Jump out. Got my one shotgun. Grab it. No, losing time. Jump out, jump over, grab the Jeep. Let's go, go, go! Grab it, back it up. Done! Oh, we have corn. Corn. Oh. This corn sounds like bricks. That's a big field. Broke into our own house. Who put this cargo here? Move, move, guys, move out of the way. I need to use it. It looks like a hole down there. Is that a hole to something? Okay, door. That is a hole to something. Can I has in? Oh. Some splinter cell up in here. Banana? Banana. Oh, mystical banana. Why are you here? Now I can use that money to replace my furnace. Alright, now we have a message from Paris Turdiman. Turdiman. I was thinking the boat GPS devices can give me an idea where he's moving the products, especially if it could compare their recent destinations to the shopping log. Can you get them for me? Sure will. Let's go. Back at the marina we go. Somehow they repair all the damage really, really quickly. You know what I'm gonna do first. Alright, let's see. Files here, files there, fishing boat. Alright, let's see what we got here. So there is a boat with a GPS tracker. Alright, we're just gonna take these off. Take that off. We're just gonna drag this with us. It's light enough. You fooled me for the last time, door. Alright. Easy parking. Just gotta free these, then I can get it out of here. How do I get on? Like this? Nope. Secret Agent me. And we're on. Alright, so this is on here, so I'm assuming... Oh, wait. Is this downstairs? There is. Why is it underwater? Free stuff. Premium lubricant. Oh. What kind of lubricant? We're gonna simply drive this over here. Awesome. Alright, now that we're over here, we made our entryway. And we'll just destroy some of this. Get it out of the way. So we can jump over. Grab that. And here's our next target. We're gonna drag that over here. Alright, now that we're almost there, we're just gonna grab that boat, drive it all the way back, and then it will only have 2 objectives that are kind of difficult, I guess, to get to. Hopefully I don't mess this up. That was a fast car. This is not easy. Maybe I'll move some stuff first. Like the whole oh, nope. The whole, nope. What if I get it in the water? Yeah, here, let's try that. We're gonna get this in the water. Get in the water. Get in the water. I'm just destroying it more. Alright. Alright. Use my godly strength. Something seems to be wrong. So that didn't work, so we're gonna just break it out of here. Sharp turn. Yeah, who needs those gates? Alright, and we're good. Alright, so we just have this one here and then that one there. This one's connected to the wall, so we're gonna have to take it from there, and then the next one is probably connected to the wall in there. We're gonna grab that. We're gonna take this boat, drive it down here, get on that boat, grab that, drive over here, crash into that, grab this, that, and then drive on off. Let me in! I want those hot dogs! Let me in! Let me in! Delicious. Alright, where is that sucker? Oops. Oh, hi. Wait, is there an attic? There is an attic. Secrets. Clearly there's no secrets. But there is a way in here. And I can throw this out. Throw this out. Alright. Now that we have this all set up according to plan, we're gonna save. And we're gonna get started. This should be a short one. Go, go, go. Whoa. Way fast. No, don't die. Losing time. There goes some of the back, but that's fine. That's fine, we're good. Crash into here. Oh my god. Woo! Good time, good time. You got 30 more seconds. This isn't as fast, but we have plenty of time. Got that, got that, got that, and we're out. Oh. I'm a trespasser now, and I got wood. Why, thanks. Now I can make, oh. Got wood, and I can make my own whatever I want. Oh, looks like I'm painting the wall to make something. Probably a kitchen, storage, something. Oh, this room's done. Oh, same sad looking bed. Ooh, that actually folds. That's cool. That's a weird kind of blanket, but it looks more. Oh, it looks more organic now that it can fold. Whoa. Excuse me? That sound. Alright, that's it for Teardown. I got to 19, Trespasser, got my new wood. Hope you enjoyed. I upgraded my shotgun. It does some damage. Enough, you two. Anyway, that's enough for Teardown. Hope you liked. This is Tony Plus. Comment, subscribe, ring that like button. I've been doing some remodeling myself. As you can see, I tore it down. This game's great. Check it out on the Steam store. I don't know if you can find it elsewhere. Yeah. But yeah, seriously, see you next time. This is Tony Plus, and bye-bye.